Oh, hello there. I didn't realise you existed. What are you doing over here? I wasn't expecting to see you today. Okay, so this is a test of the Panasonic Lumix S52X with the RODE NTG shotgun microphone on top. As can be seen here, we're pretending that it's 2016 all over again, doing vlogging. This is the test. This room is actually quite echoey. I didn't realise how echoey it was. Let's try in here. Should be a little bit less echoey. This is outside, so see if you can hear the birds twerping and stuff. So that is that. I'm curious as to what this microphone actually sounds like, because obviously I bought it for shooting a wedding. I feel like venues would be quite probably not as echoey as that, but you know, maybe a little bit. Obviously the closer I am to the microphone the better it'll sound, obviously, because that's just dynamics and things. So I want to turn it a little bit. This is with no settings adjusted on top of the microphone. This is literally just as is. So yeah, let's try there. So this is with a safety track, which actually does work, as I can see it on the levels at the bottom. So that'd be kind of a useful thing. That's with a -20 pad and the safety. Don't know why you'd want a -20. You just turn the volume of the thing down. This is with a 75 cut off. This is with the 150 low pass filter. And that is with the presence booster. I'm going to presume that button does, because it goes up. So that concludes the test. I'm going to watch this back and see. Obviously you're never going to see this, so one for the archives, I guess. Okay, so I am the distance from the table to the sofa in quite an echoey living room. So I don't know how far it is, probably 3 meters or so. The volume set to 7. It is quite echoey in here, so if you can hear me still, that's good. The camera's set to -18 dB. Well, yeah, so that concludes the test for today. And then, like I say, if you get right up on top of it, it's going to sound very, very nice and very, very yummy.